Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to set colors for our palette menu items in Flutter macOS application. So let's get started. So here is my default Flutter application. If you see at the top, I have added one more menu item called sports. If I click on it, I have the same menu in palette style but of different color. If I select one of those, here you can see I just get a log that print statement that the red one was selected. If I select the green one, then the green one, and same for blue one as well. So blue one. Okay, so you can apply this color for different symbols. So here you can see that I'm just using the flag one. I'll show you the code in a bit. So this is the one way, but if I don't want any icons, I just want to display the colors, I can just uncomment this code. I can run this something like this, and now when I see instead of flag, so this we are not really exactly using it, so we are just displaying a color array. And if I now show you, here you can see I'm just getting colors. So yeah, now yeah, something like that. Now there could be a case that I'll just revert it back to flags. There could be a case that you want to select multiple items. So here we were selecting only one, so instead of select one you can also use select any. I will quickly run the application again so to show you guys the output. So I'll click on open anyway. If I click on sports, here you can see I am able to select red. I will select green. I'll click back. Here you can see they still remain selected. So yeah, that's what this is all about. Let's see how to do this. So I'll just revert it back to select one. Now we don't have to write any Dart code. You just have to go to your project, go to macOS, double click on this runner.exe workspace. It will open it inside Xcode. First thing is this palette menu thing is only available from macOS 14, so you'll have to go to your runner, select your project, change the macOS deployment target to 14 over here. Also inside over here you will have to change the minimum deployment target to 14. Then just go to app delegate. Here we have to override this application did finish launching. We are first checking whether we have the main menu. If yes, then we create an NS menu item, and I'm naming it as sports. Then it depends on you. So for color, here I'm using this color thing, and for flag image, so this flag.fill is already an icon which is present inside your macOS. I haven't added any icon inside my assets folder. So this is already present, and I am just creating an ns menu item.palette, passing the colors array, passing the titles, and here for template I just pass our flag image, and whenever an item has been selected we get the print over here. If you just want the colors, you can just uncomment this and comment this out. Selection mode I have kept as select one, but again if you want multiple selection, keep it as select any. And here I have just added a section header. So again, if I just show you, here you see this section header sports menu. That's what this sports menu section header is. Then we just create an ns menu item. We just assign our palette menu to our sub menu, and then we just assign our planet menu item, add item to menu, and then we just do parent menu item dot sub menu equal to menu, and then we just assign parent menu item, add it to our main menu. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can set colors. Thank you for watching. Bye.